Welcome to PotterNet's training video on how to import panels into the PotterNet software. To connect panels to the PotterNet software, simply follow the prompts during the startup process. If you are past the original prompt, you can add panels by opening up the PotterNet Studio. Open the menu in the bottom left corner of PotterNet and select File, then Open Studio. Once you are in the studio, you will see the Devices window in the top left of the screen. Select the Add icon next to the PC server to add a panel to the system. There are two different methods for entering the panel information into the PotterNet software. First, we will look at the Browse option. In this method, you are importing the panel configuration software directly into PotterNet. Therefore, you are not required to be connected to the network. You can use this method by simply dragging and dropping the panel program into the panel importer, or by selecting Browse and manually selecting the program from the files on your computer. Once you have selected your program, enter the panel's PotterNet user code and IP address. Once the program is imported, click Finish and you will now see your panel under the server in the Devices window. The other method to add panels to PotterNet is the Add Panel option. When using this method, you are actively pulling the program from the panel, so both your server or computer and the panel you are trying to add will need to be connected to the network. In the Add Panel window, enter the user code and IP address of the panel. After clicking OK, the PotterNet software will attempt to connect to the panel to receive its configuration file and serial number. If the connection is unsuccessful, you will be asked to manually enter the panel serial number. This method is not recommended. If your connection is unsuccessful, confirm that the panel and your server computer are connected to the network and try again, or use the Browse option to add the panel. Once the program is imported, click Finish and you will now see your panel under the server in the Devices window. Once your panels are added to the PotterNet Studio, you will be able to access the devices and place them on the map. For additional questions about the Potter product, please contact technical support at the phone number or email address shown on the screen. And as always, don't forget to follow us on social media.